Hi, Miss. Juan didn't run today. It's a miracle. I didn't run today because I'm a little lacking energy today. So. Bye, hair. It was nice knowing you. Hello. My first time trying it ever since we bought it. What's up, Qtees?
It's your favorite
Qtees.
So welcome to another episode of our DTV, and today we're heading to Lumio Beauty House because Kyujin is finally getting her hair dyed today.
So I was contemplating a lot between blue and purple, but since 2018 color is purple, I'll go with purple. We're super excited about today's vlog with you guys. Oh man,
So, oh my god, so many people. Let's go.
Hey, there's no people inside.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay. So, what's up with this one?
No, seriously. Come on.
Let's hurry. Lumio Beauty House. You'll be waiting for me the whole day. We're also gonna unbox these at the cafe later.
Those are new bags from Revolve. They sent us those bags so that we can carry during our trip at Jakarta.
Hi. So happy. We just
We
took
met our
selfie
cutie.
together.
Her name is Julia. She's from Italy, but her Korean is so good.
So Kyujin might be doing violet color, that one,
And when it fades, it's gonna become like
ash kind of purple. It's gonna be so pretty. Can you cuties please suggest me which color I should do next?
I kind of want to go for like blonde.
Good luck. Good luck here. Update.
So Kyujin is actually gonna do this hair, and it's gonna fade to that hair. 다시 노란색으로 돌아오는 거죠. So Captain Housae is going to use this Platinum Plus on Kyujin's hair. And basically it balances the pH balance in your hair. And I didn't know hair also needs to balance pH. I think it was only for skin, but whoa. So you guys saw how the yellow color, at first it became blue because of the acid. And then when he applied this, it turned back into yellow because it balanced the pH. So cool.
So I gotta figure out how to kill 3 hours while Kyujin is doing her hair.
There's not even Samyoung here today.
I miss Lumio.
Ready, sis? I waited until my roots kind of grow.
야. 오늘 트렌드
Cuties, what color should I do next?
I was thinking maybe I should go for like these kind of color, kind of like light chocolate. These one, or this. Or I can go like ice blue, or this white ash.
Please give me suggestion because I'm planning to do it around April or March. Leave it in the comment section below. Thank you. I'm hungry.
Just bleached my root. Surprisingly, it doesn't hurt today. So Kyujin is currently washing her hair. Now they're gonna start putting in colors, which means I gotta wait another hour and 2 hours.
Well, she waited for my ginger hair last time, so I gotta wait for her too, right?
Keep on. Check. Joint is nasty, voice is raspy. If you
How do you feel?
Does it hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt. Yeah. I guess because I haven't done bleaching for a while.
You look bald here.
Get them water right where them sharks be. Ain't an engine, don't you start me. Lost in clouds cause I've been sparking. Writing force, don't leave apartment. Move boy, holding spliff, I shine regardless. Yo, rude boy, still a rapper but more of an artist. Like, rap about love but still.
I'm gonna be more excited about how it fades away.
Yeah.
I don't know, for me it kind of looks like navy, but I don't care, it's really pretty. But probably when it fades away it's gonna become like a lilac, violet. Sister, I'm trying to get thumbnail. Can I be thumbnail? Do thumbnail. Thanks for waiting, bitch. I have a new sister. Yeah. Oh my god.
I got the cred like I dropped out. My closest friends might be trying to plot now.
Sister, you look so pretty. Meanwhile, I look like shit. No, you don't. Hi, who are you? Who are you? Man, I hope he always does my hair, like in the morning. I like how he curls it. It's like cotton candy. Were you thinking? If you guys mention QQ Twins, Captain Housae is more than happy to give our cuties a 30% discount. So make sure to mention us. Yep. All the details will be at the description box below. Yep. So make sure to check it out. Thank you, Captain Housae, for my sister's lovely hair. Please take care of my hair next time. Actually, our mom is gonna come here
This Sunday.
to get her hair done.
We met another cutie and her name is Christina. Yeah, and she recently did her hair to Captain Housae before she leaves to Michigan.
Yeah, so thank you so much for saying hi, Christina. I love her hair.
Best day ever. We met two cuties today. Oh my god, this place is amazing.
Oh, here you go. Caffe Olor.
Are you stairs?
Okay.
Very spacious and very open. The ceiling is really interesting. They actually tiled inside a plastic cup.
Those are all plastic cups.
This is the presentation. Guys, the coffee is really cheap. It's only $3.80. It's quite huge, and they say this is a small size.
In the pie.
Your hair's like, really? It's like your head is just floating in the air. And there's a lot of people
sister,
here.
I waited for you 4 hours today, sister.
Sister, so, okay. That's good enough.
Sprinkle, unicorn dandruff.
Filthy. Is it good? Really?
My turn. Sprinkle, unicorn dandruff.
So Revolve sent us these 2 bags so that we can carry them at Jakarta. We actually received this like 2 weeks ago, but we still haven't unboxed it because we want to unbox it with our cuties. It's these babies. So one is pink, one is brown.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, this is natural and this is taffy.
Taffy?
Yeah,
What?
I think it's taffy.
I did a pink Revolve. What is taffy?
Yes, it's mine.
Really?
Yeah. Are you ready, sister?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, it's not like cylindrical. I thought it was cylindrical, but it's actually like.
Yeah, this is much more comfortable, right? Oh, it's really sturdy.
It's so pretty, right? Just perfect for Jakarta.
And it has like a shoulder strap too.
Yeah, it does.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at the inside. Let's see it here. Smells like new.
Okay,
Okay, open it.
Oh my god. Yes. Yes.
Oh my god, so pretty. So pretty. You call this taffy? They call this color taffy. And my shoulder. Yeah. Oh my, perfect for my hair color. Yeah. The bottom detail too. You can check them out at LPA The Label. We'll put the direct link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thank you so much, Revolve and LPA.
Thank you so much, Revolve. Oh my god, I'm in love.
Good thing I chose pink. I was gonna go with black because I like black, but then I gotta get out of my comfort zone, right? They also have it in like bright red and some patterns on it, right? Yeah. And black. Is that it?
Pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much that's it. So this cafe just opened it like a few months ago. So there's a lot of people inside. Anyways, sister, do you want a thumbnail? Let's have a thumbnail here. Thumbnail. Is there CCTV here? Okay, no. I'm really surprised on 1, 2, 3. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed this DTV, and I really love how this hair turned out. I will see you guys in Jakarta. Bye.